North American Plywood presents Manufacturing 101, UV Finishing. UV finishing at North American Plywood starts and ends at our fully automated in-feed-out-feed system with panel flipper. With one of the largest circular finishing lines in North America, we can handle materials up to 5 feet wide and 10 feet in length. The panel flipper enables us to stack faces in custom configurations to suit our clients' needs, including one-sided, two-sided, face-to-face, and back-to-back. We have 3 Costa drum pad sanders in the beginning, middle, and end of the process, which allows us to achieve a consistent, high-quality surface pre-finish. A Wanderer's panel brush after the last sander removes dust particles post the final sand. We have 7 applicators, including dual UV fillers and 3 roll coaters, which are used to apply various materials, including white base used in our design ply applications, as well as other stains and materials. Finally, our dual UV top coaters can apply a finish to seal and protect panels in as high as 80 sheen for high gloss and as low as 20 sheen for matte. We also have dry erase that is available for custom applications. The overall result of this process is a high-quality, uniform surface in appearance, ready for end use by our clients. And that concludes UV finishing at North American Plywood Corporation, part of our Manufacturing 101 series. Thanks for watching, and visit us at www.naply.com.